Sony is finally approaching the launch of its 2019 TV line, and it's better to prepare for the impact if you hope to buy one of its higher-end models. The company has detailed pricing and availability for the sets, and the Master Series Z9G with capacity for 8K will start at $13,000 for an 85-inch model when the series arrives in June, and $70,000 for the attraction of the 98-inch star. While that is more affordable than Samsung's $100,000 Q900, it still makes the Z9G practically inaccessible to anyone, except for the wealthy viewers who insist on the best. There are more affordable sets if you are willing to settle with 4K. The Master Series A9G OLED line is priced higher than last year's A8F models, with an initial price of $3,500 for the 55-inch version and a maximum price of $8,000 for the 77-inch edition. You get the same picture processor X1 Ultimate chip as the Z9G, as well as Sony's benefits, such as Netflix Calibrated Mode, IMAX Enhanced and eventually AirPlay 2 and HomeKit for Apple-centric homes. The A9G range will be available between May and June, starting at 55 inches.